Stop it, man. This one is a office assistant job that is paying from $15 to $20 per hour. And before I get into this right now and show you all the benefits in this job offer that I'm telling you right now, guys, I tell you, you're gonna be blown away. This is one of the most easiest job offer that I brought on this channel right now, guys. Is an office assistant and is a pure one of the most easiest job for you to take up right now, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not even kidding right now. So before I get into these details of this job right now, all I want you to do right now is to just go down below this video right now. See that thumbs up button that you're seeing below this video? Just click it right now. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes. You guys, I don't know why I keep bringing up this opportunity for you guys every day, and you guys don't want to run my video to 10,000 likes. What are you waiting for? Share this video on all your social media platform right now so that a whole lot of people can benefit from the opportunity that I'm showing you guys in this video right now. Make sure you leave me a comment down below this video also. Let me know what you think about this video, or what other video would you like me to bring on next time on this channel and all that. Without further ado, let's get into this video right now. Let me show you what you need to do right now to get this job that I'm showing you right now. So here we are right now on this website called ZipRecruiter.com, and you can see the job right on my screen right now. It's saying office assistants remote nationwide. It's a virtuality, a Sacramento job in California basically, and it's saying the vision, they are in medical, dental, part-time, of insurance, recruitment, full-time basically. Let's check out the job description so you can see the benefit that this job offer has for you guys before we go into the company info, so you can get out to contact them. Let's see right now. It said job offer right here. It's saying remote. Everybody has a role to play in transforming healthcare. At Virtuality, we are part of a large team that is driven by our purpose to improve lives. We are dedicated to transforming healthcare through our culture by working together to tackle healthcare most pressing challenges from the inside. Join the Virtuality team. At Virtuality, we are cultivated an environment where passions thrive and success come through shared purpose. We were founded in a culture that valued team accomplishment more than individual achievement, an approach we call culture of brilliance. Guys, I can't keep reading all of this for you because it's a little bit long right now. They have more than details down below. These things that I'm reading right now, things that you need to do, what qualifies you to be able to get this job that I'm showing you right now. You can see their location. This is where they are. They put their street. They're serving 9 million patients in a year, guys. This is a big organization that you need to try out right now. I'm not even kidding right now. Look at the opportunity that is attached to this job. If you get it right now, look at the opportunities, guys. Look at these. I can't keep reading all of these for you. So look at the requirements, experience and competency. Look at all you have to add, guys. These are all the things that qualifies you to get these jobs right now. It's a little bit long, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's worth it because this is a big organization that has everything that you might want in a company. You can see the community and all that. Let us go back right up to see the company info so you can, I know that's why you're here. So let's see how you can contact this company right now. So you can see, you can read a little bit about them right now. We are unified around the common purpose of transforming healthcare to improve life and to blah blah blah. Industry, healthcare, social assistance. Company size, they are well over 200 to 500 employees. Headquarter location, they are in CA, USA. Year founded. Wow, this is a long one. So you can see the website right now, or you can click the link below this video. I'm going to be putting this link to this website down below this video, so you can just go click it right now